5 isometric stretches that every older adult should do. Daily, hey, seniors, it's me here. And today we're diving into a fantastic workout routine that's perfect for you. Get ready to feel stronger, more flexible, and full of energy. The best part, you can do it right at home with no special equipment needed. Yes, you heard it right, no equipment. So let's get started. But before we dive in, if you're new here and want more fitness tips and exercises, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's get to those stretches. First things first, let's talk about what these stretches are all about. These are isometric stretches, which means you're going to hold your muscles in a fixed position without moving. Sounds simple, right? Well, that's because it is. This makes it much safer than dynamic stretches where you're actually moving. Plus, it's perfect if you're not super flexible, which, let's be honest, a lot of us aren't. Even if you're stiff as a board, these stretches will help loosen you up over time. They're slow and steady wins the race kind of stretches. Now, why should you, especially as an older adult, care about stretching? Let me tell you, these stretches are like having a personal trainer for your body. They'll help you improve your flexibility, reduce stiffness, and support better circulation. But that's not all. They'll also help you maintain your independence as you age. Trust me, staying limber and strong is the secret to making your golden years. Well, golden. These stretches are key to that. Plus, they're awesome for maintaining good posture, which, let's face it, some of us could use a little help in that department. Okay, so here's what we're working with. We have 5 fantastic stretches to target different parts of your body. Now, even though this routine is super easy, make sure to listen to your body. If anything feels uncomfortable, stop and rest. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. All right, so the first stretch is a real lifesaver, especially if you spend a lot of time looking at your phone or computer. It's the neck is isometric stretch. Here's how to do it. Gently press your head against your hand. You can do this on the side, front, or back of your head. Hold it there for about 10-15 seconds, but don't push down hard. You just want a gentle pressure. Once you've got that, relax and take a few deep breaths. Then switch sides and repeat the stretch. Now, why is this stretch so great? Well, it helps relieve tension and stiffness in your neck, which, let's be honest, a lot of us could use a little help in that area. So give your neck some love and try out this stretch. Okay, the second stretch is a real game changer for your posture. It's the shoulder blade squeeze. Here's the drill. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to touch them and hold for about 15-20 seconds. Make sure you're sitting upright in a chair with good posture. Breathe deeply and relax into the stretch. Then take a break and repeat 2 more times. This stretch isn't just about making you pose like a superhero, although that's pretty cool. It's also about improving your posture and easing upper back pain. So if you find yourself slouching like a turtle, this stretch is your knight in shining armor. Give it a shot and see the difference it makes. All right, the third stretch is all about opening up your chest. It's the chest is isometric stretch. Find a doorway or a wall that's about waist high. Place your hands on the door frame and gently push out as if you're pushing open a door. Hold this position for about 10-15 seconds, feeling the stretch in your chest and shoulders. Again, don't push too hard. Just relax into the stretch and breathe deeply. Then take a break and repeat twice more. Good posture also involves a strong core. A strong core not only enhances your physical appearance, making you stand taller and look more confident, but it also provides numerous health benefits. It reduces the risk of lower back pain, improves balance and stability, and enhances overall functional strength. The fourth stretch is a must for your legs, especially if you're always on the go. It's the seated leg press. Here's how it goes. While sitting in a chair, press the soles of both your feet together. You can also press your legs against the floor. Hold this for around 10-15 seconds, feeling the stretch in your thighs and lower legs. If it's comfortable, you can even close your eyes and relax into the stretch. Then take a break and repeat 2 more times. Why is this stretch so awesome? Well, It helps strengthen your thigh muscles, which are essential for walking stability and balance. So, if you want to keep moving with ease, this stretch is your secret weapon. Give it a try and feel the difference. And last but certainly not least is the ankle is isometric hold. This one's fantastic for your balance and stability. Press your foot firmly against the floor or a wall and hold for about 10-15 seconds. Make sure you're doing this while standing. You can even try it while you're washing your hands or brushing your teeth. Then switch feet and repeat on the other side. Hold for 10-15 seconds. Why is this stretch so important? Well, strengthening your ankles can significantly reduce the risk of falls, which is crucial as we age. Plus, it also improves balance and stability. So if you want to stay on your feet with confidence, this stretch is your go-to move. Give it a shot and feel the benefits. Okay, so now that we've covered all 5 stretches, let's quickly recap what we've learned. The first stretch was the neck isometric stretch, which helps with neck tension and stiffness. The second was the shoulder blade squeeze, fantastic for posture and upper back pain. Next came the chest is isometric stretch, which opens up your chest and shoulders. The fourth was the seated leg press, excellent for thigh muscles and walking stability. And finally, the ankle is isometric hold, which is key for balance and fall prevention. Now remember, while doing these stretches, always breathe normally. Never hold your breath. And don't push yourself beyond your comfort zone. It's important to do these stretches regularly. Aim to repeat each one 2 to 3 times. Overall, this routine should take about 10 to 15 minutes daily. Consistency is the key to reaping the benefits of these stretches. So there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic isometric stretches to keep you limber, strong, and independent. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. So start your day with these stretches and feel the positive impact on your body and mind. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Stay active, stay positive, and keep moving towards a healthier and happier you. Until next time, take care and happy stretching.